Ever wondered how the magic happens behind the scenes in your favorite films and videos? Well, a significant part of that enchantment is brewed in the cauldron of video editing software. One such powerful tool is DaVinci Resolve Fusion, a name that echoes through the corridors of modern filmmaking and content creation. Dive into the world of DaVinci Resolve Fusion, where creativity meets technology, enabling even beginners to add a professional touch to their projects. Today, you will learn the basics of using Fusion within DaVinci Resolve to create compelling video content. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the software is up and running, navigate to the Fusion page. This can typically be done by clicking on the Fusion tab at the bottom of the interface. Here, you enter a node-based environment. Think of it as a canvas where instead of brushstrokes, you connect nodes to create effects and compositions. The first step in Fusion is understanding its node-based workflow. Nodes are essentially small settings panels that, when connected, create different effects on your footage. To add your first node, right-click in the node editor, choose Add Tool, and select a category, for example, Generator, and then choose Background. This node generates a solid color background. Connect this background node to a Media Out node to see it on the viewer. The Media Out node is your final output node and is essential for Fusion to process your effects and send them back to the edit page. Simply drag a line from the output triangle of the background node to the input triangle of the Media Out node. Output. Now, let's add some text. Right-click again, go to Add Tool, hover over Text, and select Text plus Node. Connect this text node the same way you did with the background node. Click on the text node to open its settings in the Inspector panel. Here you can type your text, adjust the font, size, color, and positioning. To animate this text, keyframes are your best friends. Move the playhead to the frame where you want the animation to start. Adjust a setting like the size of the text, then right-click on the size parameter in the inspector and select Animate. Move the playhead forward in time and adjust the size again to create a basic animation. DaVinci Resolve automatically adds the keyframes. Output. Experiment with different nodes like Merge, which allows you to combine two images. The Transform node, which can be used to move, rotate, and scale your images. Or the Particle System nodes for creating complex effects like smoke, fire, or magical sparkles. After tinkering with your nodes and settings, make sure to save your project. You can then render your composition by going back to the Deliver page, setting your desired output format, and starting the render. In summary, today you've learned how to navigate the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve, how to work with nodes, create simple backgrounds, add text, and animate using keyframes. Remember, the node-based system is incredibly powerful, giving you endless possibilities to modify and enhance your videos. Encourage yourself to practice these steps. Create different types of compositions, experiment with more complex nodes, and watch your skills grow. Every great editor started somewhere, and with DaVinci Resolve Fusion, you've just taken one giant leap forward in your video editing journey.